Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm the mouse has fresh batteries or is charged because a weak battery prevents pairing. Turn Bluetooth on in your tablet settings or quick settings so the radio is active. Put the mouse into pairing mode by holding its pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a blinking LED. Once done, keep the tablet screen open to the Bluetooth list so you can select the device as soon as it appears. Now focus on connecting. Scan for available devices in the tablet's Bluetooth menu and wait up to 30 seconds for the mouse to appear. Tap the mouse name when it shows up. The tablet may display a pairing prompt you must accept. If the tablet asks for a PIN, either confirm the shown code or enter the default like 0000 or 1234, depending on the mouse manual. Make sure to keep the finish by verifying cursor movement and adjusting pointer speed in settings accessibility or mouse settings. This ensures comfortable control. If the connection fails, try toggling Bluetooth off then on, or briefly enable airplane mode and disable it to reset radios. Make sure the mouse isn't paired to another device, unpair older hosts, or reset the mouse's pairing memory. If nothing works, replace batteries and try again. Often a fresh battery or factory resetting the mouse clears stubborn pairing issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.